What's up, guys? It's been a while. This is David, the Lambo guy. We do have something a little different. Let's show y'all. This is brand new red ERAY Corvette, and this thing looks awesome. First one I've worked on. Front is a little different. Body's a little wider from the back and front. And for this specific car, I believe the Z06 and the ERAY, the kit is a little different. Y'all get ready. Let's get this done.
BJ, this a hit, boy.
Like always, my friends, we tape it up just to make sure there's no scratches, and we line everything up like it's supposed to. Next step is to take off the wheels. And we got some Brembo's carbon ceramic made in Italy. Some big old brakes. That's how fast this car is. Alright guys, as you can see, I took off the fenders. Next step is to remove the door panels and then do the wiring. At this point, I pretty much cut the fenders. I got one of the kits on one side. This ERAY has a wider body. It's not too much of a difference. You have to cut a little bit more since it has a more to cut. At this point, I'm pretty much adjusting it, and we're gonna go to the other side. Alright guys, finally complete. This is the first in Houston C8 ERAY complete. As you can see, it's a beauty. The wheels are awesome, front end, and the door just makes it a different animal. It was an awesome experience. This car stays here and it's locked up, it doesn't go nowhere. Hit us up on YouTube if you're interested. We'll send y'all a number out there to hit us up, and we can schedule something for y'all. But y'all have a good day. Y'all stay blessed.